Hello everyone, welcome back to the Industrial Robot Virtual Simulation Technology course. Last time, we explored how to set up robot tools and user coordinate systems, and this foundational knowledge has laid a solid base for today's advanced content. Now, let's dive into the advanced application of industrial robots, setting up motion path trajectories. Imagine what would happen if the path parameters were set incorrectly. At best, it could lead to product defects. At worst, it could cause equipment collisions. Therefore, the accuracy of each parameter is crucial. Next, we will delve into this topic through a hands-on operation. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to accurately explain the roles of key parameters in trajectory generation, such as robot posture and feature point spacing, independently set up robot motion trajectories that include approach and departure points, and successfully generate a TP program without red error points. Before we begin, let's think about this. Why do industrial robot path plans need to set approach points? That's right. Just like how an airplane needs an approach path for landing, an approach point ensures that the tool head smoothly enters the work area and avoids collisions with the workpiece. Next, let's move on to task 3, setting up the robot's motion trajectory. First, click on the model that requires trajectory generation in the main interface. Then, in the Parts section of the left menu, locate and expand Drawing Module Sheet. Right-click on Features and select Draw Features and Close Loop. Next, we need to select a starting point. The starting point can be chosen at any position along the path, but it's important to note that the contour line at the starting point must be perpendicular to the workpiece. If it is not perpendicular to the workpiece, it may cause generation errors. After selecting the starting point, click the left mouse button and slightly move the mouse. The software will automatically recognize the corresponding closed loop. Double-click the left mouse button to complete the selection of the closed loop. Next, we'll set the properties of the trajectory. First, select Program Setting. Set the feature first point mode type to linear motion, L, and reduce the speed accordingly. Set the feature first point term type to fine. For segment point speed, we can increase the speed as needed. Similarly, set both the feature point motion term type and feature last point term type to fine. After completing the program settings, move on to position point settings. In the posture section, select No Orientation Changes, disregard Normal. Under TP Point Generation Control, choose Fixed Distance along the feature. Here, we can set the spacing between position points, for example, set it to 2 mm. Once the position settings are done, it's time to configure the approach and retreat points. Check the boxes for Add Approach Point and Add Retreat Point, and set their motion types to linear motion. Adjust the speeds accordingly. For the relative offset from first point and relative offset from last point, we'll leave them as is, with a default offset of 100 mm from the workpiece for both the approach and retreat points. Click Apply. With that, we have completed the trajectory settings. Next, we go back to the General tab and click Generate Feature TP Program, which generates the TP program. If the generated trajectory has no red points, it means that the trajectory has been successfully created. That concludes the introduction to Task 3. In today's lesson, we have not only gained a deep understanding of the roles of key parameters in trajectory generation but also mastered, through hands-on practice, how to independently set up robot motion trajectories that include approach and departure points. I hope you can integrate the knowledge learned today and continuously improve your skills in industrial robot applications. Also, please always keep in mind the importance of safe operation to ensure that every operation is completed efficiently and safely.